as well. So this is the one. Yes, beta, was this the one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to start now. Fine. And we'll do this today. We can do theory tomorrow, and day after tomorrow we'll finish it. It's not much, frankly speaking. The manager wants you to calculate new room prices for each bedroom. Use suitable software package, load the file and rooms.csv. Let me just somehow close the extra files. So I'll keep on giving you more activities, this way, if you practice tough activities, past prayers, you'll find them easy. Okay? I'll give you more of my activities. It's a better way, frankly, to practice. Oh, here we go. Okay. So give the cell containing 42 the name SGL. Okay, I can even close this one. 42, I'll name this as define name as SGL. The name containing ATS BDL. No, DBL, sorry. Double. And the cell containing 41 as BTH. What am I doing? Any problem? 25. I'll do it slowly, and I want you to get everything. Give the cell containing 3 the name FR and 2 as TV. FR and TV. Right. Format all the cells in row 7 and all the cells in column A to be centerline, italic, and embolded. Centerline, italic, and embold. Row 7.
Is embolded different than bold?
No, it's the same thing. It's a generic word. It's a generic word. And centerline. And what? And in column A. This one. Right. So, done. Any problem? 27. In the column headed guess, enter a formula which will extract the numeric value from the first character of the code. Okay, guessed. Okay, the first character of the code I want over there. So in the guessed, I use the first character of the code, which is 2. So I use is equals to left this cell and the number of characters, comma 1. Comma means extract the very first one. So here you go.
So what's left used for the formula?
Okay. Right. For example, if I have over here is any ticket number, for example, I have anything B124UT675. Okay, and if the examiner says, let's say you want the seat number is the first 2 characters, so you can use over here from the left is equals to left. From the left, this comma 2 means extract 2 from the left. Comma 3 means extract 3 from the left. You get the point? Any problem?
Yes, no.
Okay. In the same manner,
or 0.
Comma 3 means 3 characters from the left. That's it. Yes, what are you saying? You got it? Who was asking me? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And the same way we can have is right. Now from the right hand side. So this comma to right hand side. From the right hand side, you can see Let me increase the size. Maybe some of you can't see what I'm doing. Okay. And this is the right. So if I write comma 3 from the right, is left or right clear? Is left or right clear? So that I can continue. Can you hear me, all of you? I'm sure you can. I asked, is right clear? Right and left? Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have is mid. Listen to this. What is mid? If you listen, left is for the first character, right is for the right character. Okay. But if you want to extract from the middle, for example, what I want to extract is the second and the third. So I will say, click on the cell, comma 2. 2 means start from the second, and comma 1, just extract the second, 2. So 2 means start, and after start, how many characters you want to extract. Then if I write comma 2, it means 2, 3. If I write comma 3, it means 2, 3, 4. If I write comma 4, it means 2, 3, 4 U. Any problem? This is mid.
What's the 2 again?
2 is for the from where you want to start. For example, if the examiner says, listen, you want to extract UT. U is which character? What is the numeric position of U? 5.
Fifth.
It's fifth. And if I want to extract only U, what will I type? Comma 5, comma, if I only want to extract U, comma 1.
1.
Yeah, only U. But if I want to extract U and the next one, comma 2, UT. But fifth means for the starting position. You get the point? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I repeat,
Yes, sir.
let me repeat. Left is used to extract the left, extreme left. Right is used to extract the right. And mid is used to extract from the second till the second last. Mid is used from the second till the second last. Am I clear on this? Okay. So now I get it why you couldn't do my activity, because obviously you didn't know this. No problem. Let's continue. So is this clear now? All of you? Left? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good,
Yes.
good. Right. Uh, who am I talking to right now? I mean, sorry, who is this? Is this Reach?
Sir Faleha.
Faleha, good. Mohid, Yusuf, Zaria, Reach, all of you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. All of you should respond. Okay. I appreciate that Faria told me that solve this paper. This means she did try. Okay. All of you, I remember in the class I also told you, you have to have the confidence to speak, participate. It's very important. Mohid, Yusuf, everyone. And why are there very few students in the class today? Gone for vacations? Anyway, leave it. No, not my business. You are here at least. Okay, so we're done with this, right? We're done with this. Well, just 1 second, beta. Sorry. जी मैडम वालेकुम सलाम जी. Have I resumed? Have I resumed? Yeah, and okay, so in the column, inform me that will extract the numeric from the first vector of this. 27 done. Anyone has a problem? We're done with this, we're done with this, and we're done with this, right? Right. Okay. Next is 28. In the column headed basic, enter form. You can see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In the column headed basic, enter formula. Now this is nested if the second character of the code is S, so they're referring to this. If the second character, like the second character is D, S, B, you see the second characters. So they're saying that if the second character of the code is S, multiply guessed by SGL. So multiply this by SGL. Remember this was SGL, this was DBL, this was BTH. Yeah. So let's do it. So the basic we write is equals to if mid, because I want the second character. Yeah, I agree this would have been a bit complicated, but if this second character, how do I extract the second character? Help me out.
With the formula mid.
Yeah, but what do I type? Mid, then, comma, the second character.
2 and then comma 1.
Excellent, very well done. So, if the second character is equal to S, if this is equals to S, then multiply guessed by SGL. So multiply guess should be multiplied by SGL, comma, another if again mid, comma, again obviously we want the second character, so 2 comma 1. If it's BD, if this is equals to, then multiply guess by DBL. Then you multiply the guess should be multiplied by double. Okay, comma. If the second character is D, then you do this. If so, we have to use another if. So I use another if, because if it was the last statement, I could have stated it in the false, but we have another one. So I use another one, another if made this comma 2 comma 1.
सर आपका वो एक्सेल ही खुला
एक्सेल खुला हुआ बेटा.
नजर नहीं आ रहा
I'm sorry गलती से मुझे क्लिक हो गया था जी. अब नजर आ रहा है. Sorry, गलती से.
सर
Can you see?
यस
Okay, so this is B. If this is equals to B, comma, multiply guess by BTH. So multiply guess multiplied by BTH. Then they say, if the second character of the code is none of the above, return 0. That's why you have 12 marks for this. Okay. And this is comma 0. Of too many, sorry, probably I wrote it wrong. So if this is equals to S, multiply this by this. If this is equal to D, multiply this by this. If mid equals to B, multiply this by this. I'm sorry, this was supposed to be over here, comma 0. Enter. Now we can replicate this. And you can check, it sees the second character is D, if it's B, and accordingly, it will work. Right? I'll share this, the formula, okay, in our group as well. I'll share it here. Fine. And I'll continue. So we've done this one as well. Done. In the column headed fridge, enter formula that if the third character of the code is F, return the contents of FR. If the third character of the code is not F, return 0. So again, we are going to find if the third character is F. So again, if, and obviously you can do if you've done the previous one, this is not a problem. So the third character again, I use mid because I want the third character. Okay. So if I want the third character, this comma 3 comma 1, am I right? If I want the third character is F, then you do return the content of FR, return the content of FR. So was this FR? I'm sorry, this is FR. Okay, return the content FR. Otherwise, 0. Am I right? If it is FR, if it's F, return display the content of FR, otherwise 0. Here you go. Yes or no? Am I talking to myself or are you with me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Kalia, thank you, beta, because you are the one replying. Rest of you, come on, man. All of you. Okay. Demo is joining now. Excellent. Okay. So we done this one as well. In the column headed television, enter the formula that if the fourth character is T, so is equals to if, let me, right. Mohit, you there, man? Mohit? Amigo? Demo, you there? Oh, you. Yes, sir. Okay, right. So let me just continue because. Oh, it's okay, beta. It's okay. So I have over here is if the fourth character is T, then return the content of TV. If the fourth character of the code is not T, then return 0. Same thing. So we have to see if the fourth character is T. So obviously we use is mid, and we say is that mid if over here comma 4 comma 1 is T is equals to T, oh no, capital T, T, then return the content of T, otherwise 0, and enter. So you get this. So we did this one. Any problem? Sure, everyone? Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. In the column headed total over here, enter a formula that adds together basic fridge and television value for that room. So we need to do is obviously we can use sum. And I would replicate all this. Done. Replicate the formula entered at step 27 to 31 for every room. Okay, I have done that as well. I have replicated that as well. Okay. Format the basic fridge, television, and total columns so that they show Sri Lankan rupees to decimal places. Which one? Basic fridge television. Sri Lankan. I have to see where it is.
सर आप खाली सिंबल लिख दें वो आ जाएगा होती
क्या symbol है क्या? Oh yeah, LKR. I didn't see that. Sorry. Yeah, it's LKR. L के का L. Don't you see LKR? Yeah, LKR. What else? Done with this, right? Done with this, done with this. Extract only the rooms where there is no fridge. So we don't want any fridge. So you simply come over here, you click on this, you turn on the filter, and I'll just display this. Okay, where there is no fridge. So where it's 0, okay? Right? So I'll just turn it off, okay? Extract only the rooms where there is no fridge. I'm sorry, I did the opposite. We are supposed to have, agree with me? Do you agree with me? Where there is no fridge, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And then they're saying is, create a header says room requiring a fridge and a footer which contains your name. So obviously I told you, you go into print, you go into page setup, you go into custom header and you type whatever you want to, and you come into the footer and wherever you want a center number, candidate number, and roll number. You type that. Candidate number, sorry, not the roll number. And we've done this one. We've done this one. Done. Right? Save and print all the details in the extract, adjusting the necessary that the whole page fits in page. Make sure, so we have to print over here is the values and we have to print the formula. So obviously you do know, if I press Control tilde and I click and between the columns, I can print this file, print, and I would always print this in A4 and print this in landscape, right? And then Control tilde again, click and click. Here we go. And we'll print this as well. Right? Then we'll print this. Okay? And we're done. Fine. I know it was complicated for you because I did not probably discuss these functions. But now since you know it, I think so you will be able to do it. Now, can you do it again and send it to me? Email it to me, all of you, because you have to do it again.
सर मैं आपको करके भेज दिया पहले सर, आप चेक कर ले मेरा.
Oh, very good. कौन बोल रहे हैं?
सर यूसुफ खावर.
Very good. फिर बेटा I'm going to share another activity today. आपने वो भी करके शाम तक मुझे भेजनी है, okay? It's again just like this one, okay? Can you do that?
ठीक है सर.
For further practice, past papers का तो we've done in the lab. मैं चाहता हूँ Excel हमारा advance हो जाए. ये advance है. This is not your past paper, remember. ये आपका past paper नहीं है. मैं आपको advance तैयारी इसलिए करा रहा हूँ. फिर आपको CI के exams will be piece of cake for you. इसी तरह Access की मैं आपकी तैयारी कराऊंगा. इसी तरह web authoring की. और मैं आपको frankly बताऊं, theory is not a problem. मैं आपको बता देता हूं. आपने देख लिया हो. Theory is not a problem. Problem होता है Excel, Access, and web authoring. Theory में जो chapters which are complicated, even though they are not complicated, in which are chapter 7 and 8. That's it. Rest of the chapters are very basic. कल इंशाल्लाह we will be able to finish chapter 6. कल हम खत्म कर लेंगे. और Thursday को again I'll solve another activity with you guys. But that's it. ठीक है? That's what we will do this week.
सर थर्सडे को क्लास नहीं होती है हमारी.
तो कल बस थ्योरी खत्म कर लेते हैं. Then I'll give you another activities to solve. ठीक है? तो अभी आप ये लोग करके मुझे भेजो. ओके? In the same जो मेरे क्लास का टाइम में भी रहता है, इसमें you solve and send it to me. Think as if you're in the lab. और फॉरवर्ड में आपको एक एक्टिविटी भेजता हूँ. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
Right? I'm waiting for your email, all of you. Okay? I'm online. एक सेकंड ठहरो. Let me take your attendance. Let me take your attendance. उफ, चले गए. खैर anyway, I remember कौन थे. ठीक है बेटा. जारिया, फलिया, I remember कौन है. See you guys then, okay? मुझे करके भेजनी है आप लोगों ने.